Hello and welcome to online user training for Enterprise Vault.cloud. In today's training, we'll discuss how to work with delegate access inside of the Personal.cloud system. Now, there are 3 prerequisites to complete today's training. The first is that you need to have access to Personal.cloud itself. Now, this is something that's granted by your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator and cannot be granted to this video today. The second prerequisite is that you're able to sign in to Personal.cloud using a supported browser. Now, if you have any questions about logging into Personal.cloud, feel free to watch our Logging into Personal.cloud video on our YouTube channel. The third and most pertinent requirement is that you need to have access to delegate accounts inside of the Personal.cloud system. That means that your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator has assigned delegates or other accounts that you can view inside of your own personal archive account. Again, this is granted by your organization's Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator and cannot be granted to this video today. Okay, so let's assume that I have all of my prerequisites out of the way. This is what I'll see. This is Personal.cloud. Now you'll notice that my archive is right here in the center of the screen, but to the left of that, I have a list of names. Now, this is an alphabetical list of every archive that I have access to. This could be just a handful of names or everyone inside of your organization. Again, that's determined by your role inside of your organization and your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator. Now, let's walk through a few different scenarios when working with delegate access. Now, let's say that I'm a manager and my employee, Chris, is out sick for the next couple days, but we need some important information that's inside of his archive. Well, we can retrieve that because we have delegate access. Now, to retrieve some of that information, we'll simply go to the left-hand side of our personal archive, go to the top of the archive to the text field, and enter in Chris's name. We can enter in the full name or just part. From there, we'll hit the magnifying glass that searches across our mailboxes, and then I'll receive every archive that I have access to that has the name Chris inside of it. Now, this particular account that I'm looking for is Chris Germany. If I want to work with just Chris Germany's account, I will tick the box next to his name and untick the box next to my own. Now, this is a very important step because if I left the box ticked for both accounts, we would blend the two archives, meaning all of my mail and all of Chris's mail would appear inside of this single pane here. Now, if I just wanted to see Chris's mail, I would untick the box next to my name and my 51 emails after I hit the Refresh Modules button here would turn to 5,414 mails. Now that means that I'm looking just in Chris's archive, not my own. If I wanted to blend the two and I had to take some of Chris's work as well as my own, I could certainly do that by ticking the box next to my own name and again hitting Refresh Modules. Now I'm looking at 5,465 emails. It's important to note that when looking through these emails, you can tab from page to page, but we have 183 now. We can also use our advanced search and our quick search tools. The same tools that you use when searching inside of your own archive can be applied when searching in additional archives. Now, it is important to note that we will show you the number of selected archives here. If you click on that underlined field, we'll show the names. If I need to just go back to searching my own box, I can untick the box next to Chris's name, hit Refresh Modules, and there we go. But you will notice that we're still searching for Chris. If I hit this Clear Search button, all the searches will be cleared inside of my Personal.cloud, and I'll go back to the first screen that I saw when we first logged in the Personal.cloud itself. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions about Personal.cloud, always know that you can go to the Help section in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. That's that little question mark. You can search for a number of different topics, including, well, viewing delegate accounts. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to go to our Help section or watch additional videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much, and we hope you have a great day.